yearly economic outlook, the IMF has downgraded its global outlook for 2013. It discussed its concerns for the global economy, revolving around the struggling Eurozone and fears over public sector deficits and debt for Japan and the US. IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde has expressed concern over a three-speed world. Oliver Blanchard, chief economist at the IMF, said, "The world economy is as weak as the weakest link. Given the strong interconnections between countries, an uneven recovery is also a dangerous one. Some tail risks have decreased, but it is not time for policymakers to relax." The IMF cut its 2013 global growth forecast from 0.2 percentage points to 3.3%. And of course, it maintained its 2014 forecast at 4%. Japan was the only economy which was not downgraded. The IMF revealed growing optimism as a result of the central bank's leaders to beat deflation through its new monetary policy. Despite the disappointing news this week surrounding China's latest GDP figures, the IMF remains positive for emerging markets, and it believes they will lead the world on the path to economic recovery. It expects China to grow 8% this year and improving to 8.2% in 2014. The IMF said the prospects of many of today's dynamic low-income countries appear stronger than those of their peers during the 1960s and 1970s. The IMF anticipates a growth figure of 1.9% in the US for 2013 and 3% for 2014. It believes the Eurozone will fall 0.3% this year and grow only 1.1% next year. The IMF has also reiterated its concern over harsh austerity measures. It called on countries such as the US and the UK to slow the pace of austerity measures. It said fiscal adjustment needs to proceed gradually, building on measures that limit damage to demand in the short term. Christine Lagarde feels there is a need for higher demand for countries in Northern Europe like Germany. It means doing more to boost investment. The IMF's outlook did reveal it was pleased with the improvement in global trade imbalances and expressed less concern over currency battles. It said it believes the US dollar and the euro were moderately overvalued and the renminbi moderately undervalued. It had no concerns in regards to Japanese monetary policy and the yen, revealing complaints about competitive exchange rate depreciations appear overblown. Well viewers, that is it for right now, but do stay tuned to Dukascopy TV for more economic updates and forex analysis. Have a great day.